Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in a daily newspaper of Tuesday, January the 7th, 2025. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Let me show you. We have the letter Sudoku 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, and not now, but in the evening. Now I will start with these 3 irregular puzzles. News of today, well, there's a big earthquake in Tibet. Yes, a big earthquake. That's the news of today. All right, the first puzzle, the 3 star Sudoku, and number 9854. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25, this one has 26. Should be a 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about a 4 in this row, 4 in that row? So no row between the middle row. The only place left with 4 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left with a 9 should be there. 2, 2. Nope. 3, 4, 5. Need a 7 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first column. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. Here, give me 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. Here, give me 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. So the only place left with 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the first column. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. Then 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then need a 1 here, the 1 there. Then, let me see. How about? Need a 2 there. 8, 7, need 5 here. No. Oh, made a mistake. 7. This should be not a 5. Because we already have a 5 here. Well, a mistake. So, not the 3 and the 5. Should be the 3 and the 6 are missing. So I cannot place the 3 here. Could be a 6 here. Okay. Well, need 8 here. Need 8 there. Yeah. Need a 2 here. 4 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have 4 and 5 in the last column. No 4 and 5 in these 3 boxes. 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes. SPF 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left with 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and 6. Need a 2 here. I need a 2 there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need a 7. In the last column, we need a 7. Well, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Only place level 7 in the last column. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So on the last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then we have a pair, I believe. In this row, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. Yeah. We have a 2 and an 8 in this row, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 and an 8 in the last row, so no 2 and an 8 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 2 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so that row, the only place level 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So I need a 4 here, okay, I need a 3 there. Let me think. Need a 2 here, need an 8 here. How about the 9? 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the last row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 in the third row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then, let me see, 3, 6. Yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1, 3, 6. Let me think. Yeah, in this big square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this row, middle row, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 4. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, now only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. 2, 3, and I need a 5 here. 5, 5, yeah. In this row, second row, we need a 5. Here can be 5 because we have 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. We see another 5 in the first column, no 5 there. Another 5 in the second column, no 5 there. The only place level 5 should be there. And I need a 2 in the second row. Here give me 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 6. Let me mark those. Here also 3 in the 6. Let me mark those. I need a 4 in this big square. Okay, 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me think. Need a 4 there, okay. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left of the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, and the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. 6 and 8, we have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8, 8. I need a 6 in this big square. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. I need a 6 there. 6 in this row, 6 in one of those two boxes in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left. 6 should be here, or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. The other 2 numbers in the middle row are the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the 8 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So if eliminated here, the 6, so the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1. 2 is missing, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this row, first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left of 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left now, the 3 and the 6. Let me mark those. Here we have a pair, 3 and the 6. That means 1 digit left in the first row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. Alright. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left now in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and 8, we have 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers now. Oh, wait. 3 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 6. Need to wait. How about 3 and 4? We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and 6, we have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 3 and 6, we have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 3 and 6, we have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes. Well, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be a 0 stars and faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.